In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI to Zapier and test the integration. By the end, you'll have your OpenAI account securely linked to Zapier, so you can start building automations that use powerful AI right inside your workflows. First, head to your Zapier account. From the main dashboard, look for the Create Zap button and click it. A zap is simply an automation made of two parts: a trigger that starts the process and an action that does something in response. We're focusing on the action today, and we'll make that action talk to OpenAI. If you like, give your zap a clear name so you can find it later. But the crucial part is that you open a new blank zap to work in. Inside the Zap editor, click Add Action. This tells Zapier what tool you want to use to perform the work. In the app search bar, type OpenAI, then select OpenAI from the results. You'll see various events later, like sending a prompt to generate text. But before you can do any of that, you need to connect your OpenAI account. Zapier will prompt you to connect an account and ask for your OpenAI API key. Keep that key private. It grants access to your OpenAI usage. To get it, open a new tab and go to your OpenAI dashboard. Find your API key, copy it carefully, and return to Zapier. In the connection window, paste the key exactly as it appears. Make sure you don't include any extra spaces at the beginning or end. If you don't see a key available in your dashboard, follow OpenAI's on-screen instructions there to create one, then come back and paste it into Zapier. Once pasted, confirm to connect. Now let's test the connection. In Zapier, click Test. Zapier will quickly verify that your key works and that it can talk to OpenAI. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation, and your OpenAI account will be listed as connected. If it doesn't pass, double-check that the key is active, that it hasn't been revoked, and that you pasted it without typos. Removing stray spaces or generating a fresh key in the OpenAI dashboard often resolves most errors. That's it. You've connected OpenAI to Zapier and confirmed it's working. From here, you can continue setting up your action, add your prompt or parameters, and fold AI into your automations. Be sure to save your Zap changes as you go and keep your API key secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.